What's up, guys? This is Mark King 100. It's been a long time, hasn't it? It's been a couple weeks or so since I've done a video. I'm actually working on a new channel. It hasn't come out yet. I'm thinking about calling it Milk Studio. I wanted to call it Rehab Studio, but then I thought, you know what? I think I might as well just stick with Milk, or, you know, because my name. But I want to come to you today because I'm doing another unboxing. I bought a new camera. It was $100, or about the $100 range with the coupon. I looked it up, and it's supposed to be pretty good. The quality and the sound was really great. Everybody had a pretty good thing about it. So it's the 50. It's wireless, and it's supposed to have a remote, and it's supposed to work in 4K, and it's supposed to go underwater. But we all know how things are supposed to be. Back up on the. So we're gonna unravel it today. Let's see if we can get in there. We will find out in future videos if this thing's any good. Let's see. Let's rip it open. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, push the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment. But don't forget to like the videos and subscribe. Tell a friend. Come see me over on my channel, my Twitter and Instagram. Look at all this stuff that comes with it, guys. Jeez, look at all this extra stuff. Let's just keep pulling out. How's the camera view? Let me know if the camera lady's doing a good job. If not, let me know in the comments below. And I will direct you to her Facebook and her YouTube channel, so you can tell her if she's doing a good job or not. Let her know. Okay. Nice piece of hard plastic. This thing is on here, isn't it? Out. You have to be able to. Unscrewing. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, here we go. That was on there, buddy. Too bad that doesn't come with it. Should be able to just slide this out or something. Well, this is my first experience with the GoPros and stuff like that. It's kind of, where did it go? I guess it's just that, isn't it? Mm-hmm. So it has some buttons, obviously. The first view of it looks pretty good. It's supposed to, like I said, it's supposed to be like 90-something feet underwater. So it is waterproof, and looks like we have the camera. Looks like we have a battery, and looks like we have a couple stands. That's nice. It's got the 3M stickies on the side of it. Oh, here's this. I gotta keep up with that. And it looks like we have the USB cord, and it looks like it comes with another back to it. See, another back. That's nice. And a user manual for those idiots that need it. I'm talking about me. Oh, look, we got some zip ties. Those are always good. Some more zip ties. They look really cheap and flimsy though, so I'm not sure how good they'll actually last. And we have, oh, some of the Velcro, so we can Velcro it to things. And a cloth to clean it. I might use that for my glasses. What do you think, guys? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and we have the charger for the batteries to go into. And we have a side piece so that when you plug it up to whatever you're going to plug it up to, you have the side piece. I think this comes off, actually. I'm actually pretty convinced that this comes off. Not sure how, but I'm pretty sure. There it goes, look, just like that. I might not be the brightest tool in the shed, man, but I got it. And where did this come out of the bag? What, is it in a bag?
No.
Anyways, here's another battery, another clip. Oh, this is the remote, look. So it has the wireless remote.
From far away.
Yeah, so you could turn it on and do all kinds of cool stuff. Pretty sure you gotta charge it first, or take the plastic off of it. Push record, or you push the button. Batteries in the back. Check out that. And looks like it's got a pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good on the case. Take it out so you can see what it looks like. It's got a little plastic thing on this, and it has a plastic thing on this protector. It's got the Wi-Fi button, so you know when you're Wi-Fi-ing. It's got the V50, but it's got the power button in front, the 4K and all that great stuff. It shows you what it does. For the stand, obviously for the battery here. You see the battery? And this is obviously to go up and down through the manual, or through the what you call it, the settings in the back, and it tells you to get started and what to do and how to do it. And so we have that. We have the battery. Oh, look, we have another battery. Oh, there's a battery in here. What do you guys think? Leave a comment, let me know. Do you think there's a battery? Don't forget to tell me. I'll let you know. That'd be a surprise. We just have some more pieces that go on a stand. See, just different angles and things that you can tie down to ATV or a car, or you know, your bicycle. See, you can tie it down to a bar and then put it on there, so you have different. It just gives you different stuff. Well, guys, that is the unboxing of the new studio for Mark King 100 right here on YouTube. I know you subscribed, right? If you didn't subscribe, hit the subscribe. Guys, I have a goal this year. At the end of the year, I want to hit 10,000 subscribers. Doesn't sound like a lot, and I know it's not that much, but we can do it together. 10,000 really isn't that much, but it shows me that I'm not just sitting here talking to the great and the proud 200 that I have now. Well, a little over 200, and I've had for quite a time. I love you guys. You guys are the best, man. You guys, I love you guys. And for the haters, keep on hating. I love your comments. It's hilarious. It just makes me think that you were somehow molested or abused as a child with some of your comments. Otherwise, you would come and find me here in Sarasota, Florida, and you would man up and handle your business like a man. Or, well, we could just go hang out and have fun. Well, don't forget to subscribe, like the comments that other people comment. Let them know that you love them or you dislike what they say. But I want you to do me a favor and subscribe. Share this video. Get it around. What a camera. We are going to start the new channel soon, so look out for that. Make sure if you into that kind of stuff that you subscribe. A lot of my stuff is going to be reviewing art material, art tools and stuff like that. And then I'm going to go and do some artwork, and we're going to see what we can do. We're actually going to see if we can use the education on YouTube, the art, you know, because it just came out with the top 50 art channels. So we're going to see if we take a couple of what they're saying and apply it to practical artwork, how well it works for the beginner, because they always say on their channels or on their thumbtails or thumbtacks, what do you want to call it, it says acrylic art lesson for free or art lesson for the beginner. Let's see how easy it really is. Alright guys, so you know your job is to hit the button, the bell button, so you get the newest videos, and don't forget to subscribe and check out the comments below. Later.